All right, what's going on, guys? Jay, that Dream Guy. We are at a kind of like a restaurant, but it's also an office building or something like that. And they had the main line back up. Oddly enough, when I got here, it cleared just as we came down here. So we put the camera in, and I will show you guys the footage. Give me 1 second. And so we got that grease buildup right there on the top of the pipe. You guys can see the bottom of the pipe is all clear. And that's really the only section that is giving issues. So we're going to run the Milwaukee chain snake and see if we can get that cleared out. So we're gonna feed the chain in and then see if we can get that cleaned up and then get out of here, because it is right now 10 after 10 p.m. Thursday night, and I still got like a good hour and a half drive back home. Okay, so let's see. Can you guys go turn the cold water on in some sinks? Cold water. Cold water? Yeah, please and thank you. Get some cold water running, and then like it's basically emulsifying that grease, which is good. Okay, so we got some water running. There we go. Okay, I'm actually going to pull the camera out and then put the skid on. So bear with me for a couple seconds. Just to get it off the bottom of the pipe. So this was the section. So we did notice, and we'll show you guys, there is some ponding in this line. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to pull this out. And then we'll run the camera again. So this was the ponding area. It does come out of the water. Man, it's so frosty. So you guys can see that was the area. Yeah. Wasn't expecting that, but hey, you know what?
This one, huh?
It's good for washing the debris away.
I was trying to reach to that point to get it, but it's strong though.
So.
2-inch pipe.
Yeah. Now it's spotless. So that usually means the change of the from building to the city. So that's where we're going to leave that. Thank you, sir. You don't want to be on YouTube?
No.
Oh, you're going on.
Oh, man. Thanks for helping us.
No problem.
Oh, it's a big time help.
But it definitely worked out in the end. Like, I'm glad it cleared itself out, because if we just snake the drain, right? You don't know, like, if I could have went by there so easily without actually clearing most of it out. But with the camera, and why we always recommend a camera, is you get to see exactly what's going on, right? So
That's the best thing.
yeah, like that's perfect. And that chain worked awesome.
Amazing job. Thank you.
No problem. Is the owner happy though?
Should be.
I hope so. And if he wants this video, I can email him this video if he
That's
wants.
gonna be good. And I'm gonna ask him to give you his
Yeah,
email address. You do that. Thank you.
no problem. All right, guys. Let me know how you thought of the video, what you thought of the chain snake. And until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Until next time, Clog.